In order to do finger picking on the guitar, you will need to follow this simple pattern. Thumb, second finger, first finger, third finger, or thumb, second, first, third. Let's try finger picking the chord D. Place your thumb on the D string while keeping the remaining 3 fingers on the bottom 3 strings. It's important to remember that when you're finger picking, your thumb plucks downwards, but the remaining 3 fingers pluck upwards. Let's play the chord D, and we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb, second, first, third. Thumb, second, first, third. Thumb, second, first, third. Thumb, second, first, third.